Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jennifer and I'm an online reseller on Poshmark Ebay eBay, and ThredUp. And if you are not new here, welcome back and thanks for coming back. On this channel,
never fails. Sometime in the video, you always see this little part where I just completely mess up my words and I cannot speak every time. Sometimes multiple, but if I put in every time that I do it, it would be a whole video of just misspeaking. Anyway.
On this channel, I give you a little peek inside my reselling journey. I do unboxings, thrift hauls, and then I do a what sold video every 2 weeks showing what sells out of these thrift hauls and unboxings. So if that is something that you are interested in, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and come back to see more. Today we have a Goodwill Bluebox Thrifty Apparel Box. It used to be called a 10 for 10. But then they raised the price to 15, so they couldn't call it 10 for 10 anymore because it was 10 for 15. So they changed the name to a Thrifty Apparel Box. GoodwillBluebox.com. They have curated boxes that become available at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. They have the Thrifty Apparel Box, other apparel boxes, shoe boxes, denim boxes, plush boxes, Lego boxes. They have several. Some of them are much harder to get because they're more desirable. I have been trying for weeks to get a denim and or a shoe box, and I just can't do it. Last week or weekend before, I don't know, I finally got my hands on a Thrifty Apparel Box, but the first box that I bought unfortunately was just the regular apparel box, and I didn't realize it wasn't the thrifty one. And so when I looked at what I purchased, I saw that the price was a lot higher, and I'm like, oh. If you haven't seen my last unboxing of the Thrifty Apparel Box, it literally was like 5 minutes ago in my time. But I will put it up above. The cost of goods came to between $287 and $249, depending on how you look at it. I either had 13 or 15 items. 2 of the items I was just like, eh. I don't even know if that's sellable. But all of it came out to $287. It's still not a bad cost per se, but some of the items just weren't really worth it. I definitely wouldn't have picked them up otherwise. Now the Thrifty Apparel Box, you're only supposed to get like 10 items, but every single one I've gotten at least 11. And some of them more like 13. So cost of goods wise, if there's 10, it's $213. Even if it just has the 10, it's still a better cost of goods than the other box. So in my opinion, the Thrifty Apparel Box is much more worth it. But this Thrifty Apparel Box costs $14.99. Shipping is $5, tax was $140, so the grand total is $21.39. So if I do have the 10 only items, it will come out to $213 per item. The last box that I opened, if you count the 13 that I did, it came out to the $287. If I get 13 items in here, they're only going to be $1.64. So that's more than over $1 savings. So again, still think this is a better box. But I say that, and then we're going to open the box, and we'll see if it's an actual better box. I already see something interesting. Something I wasn't really expecting. But anywho, this is soft. Lucky Brand size large. Ooh. So, Lucky Brand is a finicky thing. It is a light pink, and it's got little... I don't think it's necessarily a daisy print, but a little flower print. It's got little pink centers. It's got boho, keyhole back, boho vibes. I've stopped picking up Lucky Brand unless it's Lucky Brand denim. It's got to be a decent size. But I definitely always pick up Lucky Brand men's denim because that sells good. But when it comes to the tops, I would, if I did pick any up, I would send them into ThredUp because they sell better on ThredUp. But I'm even having an issue getting them sold on ThredUp for any decent money. But the large sizes for Lucky Brand are more desirable because you can't find them as much. So I will pick up large and larger Lucky Brand tops like that. That one's good. Kirkland Signature. That is Costco, I believe. 100% extra long staple cotton, non-iron. Oh, there's the label. It's a 17.5 by 35. I hate those sizes. What size is that? I feel like it's like an extra large. It's got to be an extra large. It feels pretty big. It's very long. I do like the color though. Purple's my favorite color. Lush, size large. I think Lush is sold at Nordstrom's, but it is this green V-neck, roll tab sleeve, high-low. Well, I want to say it's a blouse, tunic blouse, but is it a mini skirt or a mini dress? No. I guess you could use it anyway. The way people wear tunics. You could wear some leggings under it. This is a large, so I will probably list it. If it was any smaller, I probably wouldn't. I thought Lush was like a great brand, but it didn't turn out to be great. This is a Japana. It's another large, but this is a, I don't know where this is sold. I can't remember. But it is a, what's it called? Department store brand. But I'm pretty sure it's Juniors as well. But this is, I think this is an okay piece. It is a full length, I can't remember if that's cheetah or leopard. I always have to look it up. Print maxi dress. So this is actually not bad. I think on the style, this will sell. I will list this. Okay. I like the colors. It's got a little bit of wash wear on it. Ooh, okay. Karen Scott, which is not great. I will probably send this into ThredUp maybe. It is a larger size, but oh, no it won't. It doesn't have a size tag. If you did not know, ThredUp does not take items without size tags. Yep, it's been cut off. So, I don't know. Maybe I'll put that on Facebook for $5. I'm sure someone will get that. And just do measurements. Kirby Joe. Another size tag missing. This has got like cinched waist. Cinched tie waist. I don't know. Kirby Joe is not like anything great. This particular shirt might get some attention. It does have washwear on it though. And I've been trying to avoid that because then there's so much clothes out there that is like practically brand new. I really need to just stop with the ones that need washwear or that have washwear. Jam Collection Petite. This is petite medium. I've kind of stopped picking up petite sizes so much. There are things that I will. If this was a large, I would probably almost keep this. But I don't know what I'll do with this. This will probably be another Facebook thing. Ooh, this feels nice. Calvin Klein Performance Quick Dry. Okay, this might be okay. It's got some peeling on the emblem. Whoa. It's like a crop. This is different. Is it shrunken? Is it supposed to be like that? I don't know. I'll have to look it up. I might also be able to take that to Buy Sell Trade. To Plato's Closet. We'll see. This is very see-through. White House Black Market, extra small. Okay. It is this, oh, here. Sorry. Extra small. It is this blush mauve pink. This must have come with some type of slip cami underneath. It's really pretty. Yeah, see, it has the little snap thing, so you can snap in your strap so they don't fall down. Okay. Ooh, new tags. This is a 14-16 medium. It's Woman Within. And it's just this blue floral stretchy dress. Because it has a tag, washing instructions is what's telling it. I might still try to sell this because this is plus size and ooh, it has pockets. Plus size sells pretty good. Alright, this is Buy and Buy, new with tag, size medium. It is rayon linen, French blue. And it retailed for $44. It's Buy and Buy, size medium, so it's linen blend. It's cute. Got the twist front. I'll probably list this. If I can get 20 bucks for this, I'll be happy. Guessing this is Adidas because of the stripes. I guess correctly. Ooh, these seem really good too. They're not like worn off or anything. So this is Adidas, size large. These are the running Climate Light. So they are specifically for running. They have pockets. They're not zipped. But they're just... Oh, this one has a zipper pocket. Oh no. If these are men's, my husband's gonna try to steal them. I'll tell them they're women's. These were made in 2019, so they are actually not that old. So he's just gonna have to deal with it. I'm selling these. Sorry, babe. And here's the interesting thing. Ape Fit. Really? Okay. See, it says Ape Fit on it. So,
my very first Goodwill Bluebox, I got a new in package. It's like purple and silver, and it was for like Falcon Fitness, I don't know, boxing shorts. And I finally listed them, and a couple days later they sold. And so I'm guessing this is kind of something like that.
Okay. I'll just let you read that. Okay, these are leggings, size medium.
What is going on? They have like these belt thingies. What is that supposed to wrap around? It's got the on the logo so it doesn't peel off. What on earth are those zipper thingies for?
I'm wondering if they're like for weightlifting. I have a couple friends that lift like professionally, or maybe not professional, I don't know. This is probably like a calendar, I'm guessing. This has been opened. Oh, no, it's just straight up different exercises. They have built-in resistance bands. That's what those things are. Okay. That's interesting. So they are workout pants with built-in resistance pads. Alright. I have no doubt I'll be able to sell those. I just don't know for how much. I'll have to look it up. So let's count. I have 13 items. A few of those will probably be Facebook sales, so I'm probably just gonna, well, no, because they're not $5. Oh my goodness. So, yeah. I'm not upset with this box, and I honestly believe that this box is worth more than the other one. So, there you go. There's my input on that. If you are thinking about getting a Goodwill Bluebox and you're not sure which one to get, I highly suggest the thrifty one. The 10 pieces for $15, because I mean, you saw my numbers. The cost of goods are $1.64. And even though there's a couple, you know, not so great ones in there, there's some pretty good pieces in there. So I'm pretty happy.
If I, let's see, 21. So if I went somewhere and spent, oh yeah, I could easily pick some of that up for $5. I don't know about easily. I take that back. Never mind. Forget that.
So tell me, what was your favorite? I think a couple of the styles of these are going to help sell them, not necessarily the brand or vice versa. So let me know your favorite. Put it down in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button on your way out. I appreciate you watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.